today, what's day today? It's 28, right? Saturday. So tomorrow will be the event. So we're going to visit the venue for some ocular stuff. You know, we're gonna look at this, check kung may kailangan kami baguhin or whatever, and you know, maybe talk with the team about the upcoming event. So yeah, I'm going to Sky Lounge Bar. Yan, sila rin yung nagchat pa sa ano. On the way na yung book ko na movie. So, yep. Hey, look, tomorrow don't forget to drop by, right? Peace out. Teka, una. So, now we're down here. Wala pa ata sila. Ayun na! Ayo! Thank you kuya, thank you, salamat. Shop Mr. Reality.
Yes sir.
Now the boys are here. Bossing!
Thank you to.
Hamsin. Dito ka din bukas kuya.
Kuya, dito ko yan.
Ayun.
Apat na mic. Post empty second na yun.
Ano mo yan, ang bilang nang bumili sa amin ng ticket para nasa 140 na. Tapos may walk-in.
Kailangan ata, nilipay ko na siya. Na makakakilala ko rin yun.
Ano, madami ba tilit sa'yo?
Ayos pa.
15 pieces pa.
Mas maganda.
Dami pa.
Kasi mga talaga yung ano na.
Oo, yun din.
Malak pulutan.
Ano? Alas 12 na oh.
Trabaho pa rin.
Trabaho pa din. Para sa event natin to mga tol.
Yes sir.
6 to 10. Umami na.
Ito yung napag-usapan natin.
Boy, doon tayo bukas. Doon tayo mag-event bukas. Pahinta mo doon. Data nyo yung mga boxer natin. Magkulit kayo.
Kulit kayo bukas ng mga...
Subukan nyo magkulit. Bibit-biting kayo ng mga kuya. Thank you po. No bossing. Andito na si ano.
Nga pala ano, may naano pala, may naligaw.
Min, dito. Galing yan sa event ni Dog Black mismo.
Okay. Ano, kain ba? Kain no, kain. Pero malapit yung piece,
Ika nga ni Kuya Win. Papanisin ng mga batang santolan yan, tol.
Pag ginahanap yung cocaine doon sa Metro Sa Metro
Sa Metro kayo ngayon?
Metro
ready na? Ready na?
Nood mo kay ano.
Ready na!
Pinanganak kaming handa. Sorry po.
Sounds.
Boy Scout.
Yeah, what's up? Sige natin. Okay na ba sila?
Now we're here in your front, bringing positivity, bringing every single fork and see the possibility with this ability, eliminating visibility, jamming this community, no to negativity. The purpose of living is aiming what you've been dreaming, showing everybody that you'll be coming to something. Dancing in the cipher, the message no decipher, coming out the tiger in your life, you are the driver. Spread love up to infinity, share it with affinity, listen to the melody, let's bring it to reality. I'm humming out the harmony, peace and respect is the only key. Where you average, you're seeing out the real me. Intelligent and savvy, that's the real me. No mess, you're only seeing real me. Check within my core, you see the real me. Where you average, you're seeing out the real me. Intelligent and savvy, that's the real me.
Asa na, ano order natin sa kanila?
Wala ko sim eh.
Ano yung order mo?
kami, malis kami. Walang tao sa...
F-boy logo.
Ayan, pag may ano.
Ayun, tas para sa atin, no? Solid. Na, sinunoy. Para tayo idol, oh, may taba pa. Para mamaya. Aba na laban, boy.
Simon. Dito kumakain.
Matakaw ka.
Yung mga bebento.
FTL.
Dalawang artist. Yeah! Will be granted a year of 2 tours.
Hey, Fancy.
Rolling with the big boys, passing to the city lights, smoking on a big joint. You can see it in my eyes, ever since I taste joint. From the moment hit the spot, wanna play with big dogs. Homie, show me what you got. Rolling with the big boys, passing to the city lights, smoking on a big joint. You can see it in my eyes, ever since I taste joint. From the moment hit the spot, wanna play with big dogs. Homie, show me what you got. 10 toes in the ground, you can feel the tremors of my beat, cause you feel the power of legit money maker, ballin' knuckle breaker, booty shaker, top best of freaking getter. Day job, master, everything in favor. Underground sound, super proud, freaking flavor. Living off the grid, playground, making paper. You think we're solid to brother, we all fucking major. So you flex in my face, cause I'm up, keep it low. Don't you talk about a hoe, cause the kids will never go. Planning intricate, legitimate, jamming in this syndicate. Everything you see is truly exquisite and bullets set to dodge. Even blades are die. Life from the underground, written in my scalp. I have seen all the nasty shit. Listen to the way I spit, toe to toe with the giants. I will never ever quit.
Yo, this motherfucking shit's drunk, motherfucker. Going to the my name is Jero, motherfucker. I came from motherfucking East Spicy, motherfucker. Yo, go say shit.